Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the route of light train 505 from Leung LRT to Leung LRT. If you don't know how to go there, this video is perfect example how to reach your destination from Leung to Leung. So start from journey from Leung LRT. The next station will be Sanwi, then Sekpai, and then San King North. After San King North, the next will be Mingkom. After crossing Mingkom, the next stop will be San King South. And then Kin On, and then Tuen station. After Tuen, the next stop will be Town Center. After Town Center, the next stop will be Onting and then Seoulon. But if you want to go to the Samsing station, you need to wait for. And this is the route of 505, which starts from Seohong and ends to Samsing. Actually, this route is covered with trees, plants, and if you are a lover of hiking, then there are many spots where you can go. The traveling time from Seohong to Samsing is 24 minutes. Route length of this route is 5.9 kilometers. I am telling you guys the route length from Samsing to Seohong. And the number of northbound stations are 16. The number of stations south, the maximum speed of this train is 60 km per hour. In the last, I'm going to tell you this route 505 traveling between Seohong and Samsing via Kinsang, Leung Tuen Town Center. This line is the second line of light train in Tuen district, which is a full-time service heading towards Seohong and entering Shan King village after Kin On. And it will not stop at Mingkom stop while northbound. Instead, go to Mingkom in the direction of Samsing after Sekpai for interchange with routes 610, 615 and 615P.
crash at our feet. Heat on our skin, summer's beat. Surfboards in our hands, we ride the tide. Underneath the palm trees, we feel alive. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's rhythm, we never tire. Running through the fields, chasing the sun, singing our hearts out, having fun. Jumping in the pool, laughter all around. Veins of passion, our hearts are sound, our hearts are sound. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's rhythm, we never tire. Feel the beat, hear the call. Summer's energy, we've got it all. Summer vibes, reaching for the sky. We're unstoppable, no need to ask why. Living in the moment, hearts full of fire. In this summer's rhythm, we never tire. As the sun sets, we'll never forget. Summer magic, our hearts are set.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. Yeah. Well, we're just wasting time, fighting the inevitable. I can't do this anymore. We're just wasting time. Oh, you better go. Oh, you better go. I'm gonna miss you. Don't stop, don't stop for anyone, don't stop moving your body, don't
going to arrive to Leung night train station. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe so that I will bring more new videos which will be very useful for you and harmful too. Bye bye.